Oh, so guys, I think I must start the vlog here today. It's been a while since I recorded one, but today is farm day. You can see carrying some water pipes to go and irrigate some onion farm which we are starting today, farming today. Has several pipes, like 1-inch pipes. There are like 6 of them, but I could not carry all of them in the car, so the other ones I had to give my guys to carry. Then these ones, the remaining ones, this is one that goes deep into the water. I had to carry it myself, but it won't fit in the car, so I just had to slowly pull it while it's protruding through the car. But we'll make it because we ain't going far. And one thing that's happening today, there are a lot of safaris passing through this road. So I hope I get to my destination before one comes and meets me. I'll try make this an hour-long vlog so you can see what happens. Though it's not easy because I have to try to hit the road at the same time work, at the same time vlog for you, my guys. So let's hope all goes well. This is me going to the road, the main road, the main highway, going to Taveta to Moshi to Arusha. This is a road that leads to what do you call this border? Taveta border. It has its name. Namanga? Not Namanga. Taveta border. Let's call it Taveta border. Himo, Taveta Himo. I don't know what to call it now, but that's what I know it is. So let's see how this goes. This road is a very good road. Yesterday there was a trip I was supposed to go, which ended up in Tanzania, but unfortunately I never came to the farm area, so we just had to go on their own. But let's hope as the future goes, as time goes on, we'll be able to go and do what we need to do so that we can see more, because according to my plan I want to make vlogs almost every day. But unfortunately, not every day I'm able to go and do different things or walk around, you know. So I'll try my best, my guys. I'll try my best. I wanna be consistent as fuck with this vlog, which ain't easy. You know, I've been having a very troubling time because I need water, because so many hills and gutters. But it never rained after that. I made the gutters, but the rain never rained, man. So I was just left not knowing what to do, man. No rain, man. Like the rain waited before I made the water gutters. It was raining like crazy, bro. And I was like, oh man, this water is being wasted a lot. So I have to do my thing, mend the wards. I forgot to put the hazard, man. Now I have it on. Let's see what happens. Halfway along the way, I remembered, oh man, I'm supposed to put on the fucking hazard while it's too fucking late, bro. While it's too fucking late, bro. Can't believe it. See the school children looking at me like, like, Okay, so we're getting almost to the other farm where we are supposed to put in or to put on some onions, but apparently we have to water the land first before we insert the seedlings. And the pipe which was there at first was not enough to make sure that the water is thrown around the farm, you know, by the revolving water sprinkler, you know, what do you call it, water irrigator, whatever it is, man. Who knows. But I think farming is interesting, and I'm gonna do more of this because we've now become farmers, man. Since we're now farmers, we do what we gotta do. Okay, I'll park this car next to this other one. Amen. What the hell? I'm supposed to turn the camera instead of it seeing the what? Seeing my hands. I'm sorry for that. Do I leave this camera here? Will it see me do whatever I'm doing behind there? I'm not sure about that, but we'll try and see. Will it be able to just turn on its own? Yeah, it will. You see me guys. I have to open up this thing. It was like really tightened. You know, if they are police officers, they will have arrested me, you know. Okay, so guys, now we are heading towards the farm. Yeah, we're just there. Let me just pick up some stuff here. Some few stuffs. I think there's another one here. After I'm done picking them out, I can head to the farm. Oh shit. How will I? Are we still recording? I'll come back for it later. Damn. I'm gonna have to pause this, man. I'm gonna have to pause.